Namaskar. Quite delighted and quite happy to be with you with a new YouTube channel explaining the basic ingredients of an individual to become successful in his life. I am bringing you certain videos which will be touching the basic ingredients of any individual to get ahead in his life. All of us are having our own dreams, our own destiny. How you can discover your dream? How you can design your destiny? This exactly will be the major components of my channels, my videos. Here, there are certain basic elements for an individual to develop his personality. Something like his communication skill, his confidence level, his appearance, his knowledge. All these things, when it is properly apportioned to his personality, he can definitely impress in any field. And along with this, I am going to give you the elementary tips related to interviews, group discussion, how you should behave with your superiors, your customers, your subordinates, your family members, all these things put together, how the interpersonal relationship can be improved. Ultimately, the success of any individual, anybody's life is totally depending upon how you are able to interact with others. What is the level of your interpersonal relationship? What is the level of your stress management? What is the level of your risk management? All these things put together will make your personality either successful or moderate or disastrous. The beauty of this point is anybody at any point of time can start from wherever he is, build upon the basic ingredients, basic points, practice it and get ahead in his life. Many a time I have heard people telling that it is too late. Mind you, it is never too late. Never too late. Start straight away. And about me, I have worked for 4 decades in a public sector bank, traveled and worked across India, traveled across Asia several times, presented papers in international conferences, participated as a member and panel chief of several interview boards. I extend expertise to college students to participate in their campus interviews and all, support them in their endeavor to prepare for group discussion, prepare students, prepare candidates for the bank exams, prepare candidates for army exams and even civil services. In all these places, interview is a major component, and to be successful in interview, your personality is a major component. And your personality is consisting of what I have described earlier about your communication skill, your body language, your interpersonal skills, your knowledge, all these things, and your confidence. And confidence is built up only when you are ready to rectify yourself. You are ready to correct yourself. These correction techniques, it is pretty easily possible. The moment you are able to correct yourself, come out of your self-imposed inhibition, break your shells, break the boundary, you are becoming a new person. And that is the foundation for the success. That is the foundation for the castle of success. Once you reach that place, from there to build a beautiful castle, it is absolutely easy. The initial hiccups will always be there. But once you frame your mind, once you believe, I am the captain of my life, I can do, I can achieve. This feeling, once it comes to your mind, removing the self-imposed inhibitions, removing the doubts, you are coming out successfully. And my endeavor will be through my videos to enrich you with the basic minimum ingredients of all these things, like your motivational level, your communication level, your body language, your interpersonal level, your knowledge level, and especially the most important part, your confidence level. And once you are confident, I can guarantee anything is possible. Many a time, lot of things are not happening just because you are not confident. For achieving that confidence level to an acceptable level, you have to prepare, you have to change, and the changing part will definitely be requiring some kind of support from people who are having some expertise. And I am coming in front of you as a person with adequate experience, adequate expertise, adequate exposure to advise you people about all these ingredients, because I have the background, I have success stories, I have experience, I know what are the dilemma, I know what are the lacunas and how to come out of it. Be with me, await for further videos. Definitely we together will definitely frame a wonderful future for all you people. Thank you very much. Wait for the future videos. Thank you.